What is up, YouTube? How y'all doing today? So, me and my lovely lady, she's joining me today for this yoga flow. And this is gonna be like a relaxing, just open up the body, go with the flow. Nothing too hard. So if you're a beginner and never really have done yoga mobility movements before and you're super stiff, this will be exactly what you need, right?
Right.
We're about to feel 10 times better after this. Ugh. So, we're gonna start however Haisha is right now. We're gonna lay down. Actually straighten your legs though. Everything on the ground. Arms come over your head. Reach. Ooh. Grab your left wrist with your right hand. Pull your body to the side a little bit. Take a deep breath in. Deep exhale. Nice. Come back. Now grab your right wrist. Pull your body to the right side. Or left. Yeah, left side. You should feel this in your right. Like right back area on the side. Take a deep inhale in. Exhale. Nice. Come back. One more reach over your head. And then hug your right knee into your chest, into your body like this. And you can keep your eyes closed too throughout a lot of these stretches if you want. But kind of just hold your knee. You can move it side to side, massaging your right hip flexor. Nice. Let's do some ankle circles. Just pick a direction. Open up the ankles a little bit. Let's switch directions. Nice. What I want you to do now is bring your hands under, behind your knee, kind of on like your hamstring area too. And you're gonna do hamstring pulses. Straighten your leg just as far as you can, and then relax. Again, straighten your leg. Feel that stretch, and then relax. Let's do that 3 more times. Straighten your leg, and relax. Again, straighten it. Relax. Last one, we're gonna hold this for a little bit longer. Straighten your leg. And then try to pull your leg to your face, to your body. Inhale in. Exhale and let go of your leg, bring it down. Nice. Arms over your head, breathe in. Now, bring your left knee into your chest. Nice, let's do some ankle circles. How you feeling, Aisha?
Good.
Good. Other direction. Nice. Now we're going into those hamstring pulses. Hands behind your kneecap. Straighten your leg. Relax it. Straighten it. Relax it. Straighten it. Relax it. 2 more. Straighten your leg. Relax. Last one. Straighten your leg and hold. Nice. Relax your leg down. Bring your feet to the mat, knees bent, arms can be by your side. Just start to windshield wipers your knees side to side. Nice. Now bring your knees back to the middle, bring them to the left side of your body, hold them, and then bring your arms like this and bring them to the right side. A little twist and hold it. both your right and your left arm, yep. And try to relax. Breathe into where you feel it. Nice, come back to center. Now right knees come to your right, and then both arms come to your left. Nice, come back to center. Let's just do this one time. Raise your hips up. Let's just activate the glutes a little bit and just hold this right here. Lower back down. Bring your feet together, knees out wide. Let your knees open up. Now we're going to lift our hips up a little bit, keeping your knees out wide, and hold it. We're not really doing any strength today. We're just doing these two movements, just to get the glutes activated a little bit. Nice, lower back down. And then let's come up into a tabletop. Shoulders stacked over wrists, hips stacked over knees. I'm already feeling better. Okay, we're gonna move into some cat-cows. Just nice and slow. Nice. Good job. What you're gonna do is bring your right leg out to the side of your body. You should feel it in your right growing area. Yep, just like that, Aisha. And then you can kind of rock back and forth, or just stay still. And if you want, you can come all the way down like I'm doing right here. Just if you're flexible enough and it feels good. Nice, come back up. Keep your right leg out straight though. Good. And then what we're going to do is your foot, look at my foot, it looks like this. You're then going to bring your foot right here. But keep your knee, your other knee in the same position. Now your knee heel, and this is a hamstring stretch on the right side. Yeah, you feel that, Aisha? Mm-hmm. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little weird. I'm still recovering from being a little sick and having like a kind of a bad cough. Bring your foot back where it was. Come up. I'm gonna face sideways just so you guys can see a little better. Breathe in, arms up. And then left arm on the ground, right arm reaches over. Really reach. If you feel like it, you can do some arm circles if you want with your right arm. Nice and big, nice and slow. Nice, place your hand back down, back into a tabletop. Bring your feet together, knees out wider. Child's pose. Forehead onto the mat. Right now, take some deep breaths. Take some extra long breaths right now, like 6 to 8 seconds in, 6 to 8 seconds out. Connecting back to yourself. Nice, slowly come up. And let's just do a little back bend. Just nice and light. You don't have to go super crazy with this. Come back up. And now we're gonna do those same things on the other side. So now our left leg is coming out straight. I'm gonna go side just so you can see me a little better. And kind of just rocking back and forth. How you doing over there, baby?
Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
You should feel this in your left groin. Left adductor. And if you want to, feel free to come back like this if you want. Come back up if you're down like that. And then we are going to now rotate our left foot so our heel is up on the ground. I mean, your foot is up, and then frame your left leg, stretching out the left hamstring. I know I said this was more beginner. This is actually kind of more of an intermediate one, but just do the best you can. If you're not very flexible, you guys, your knee can be bent. Like, you don't have to look like I'm looking or Aisha. Just do the best you can. Nice, bring your foot back. Now we're gonna come up, arms up, breathe in. Exhale, right arm to the mat. Reach over with your left arm. Go into those arm circles if you wish. Nice, bring your hands back to the mat. Tuck your toes in. Downward dog. I want you to exhale out everything out of your stomach, your lungs. Take a big inhale in through your nose. Hold at the top. Exhale. One more time. Inhale in. Hold it. Exhale. Bring your left foot outside of your hands into a lizard lunge. Yep. Your right knee can come down. And we're just gonna chill here right now. This is a great hip opening stretch right here. Are you tight in this position? Or does it feel good? If you want to, you can get your elbows onto the mat. This feels good. Nice. Come back into a tabletop. Push back into another downward dog. This time we're gonna walk our hands to our feet, but keep your legs straight, standing forward fold. Let's just do some of these. You're gonna lower down into a low squat. And then back into a standing forward fold. Let's do 2 more. Back into a low squat. Back into a forward fold standing. Lower down again. Back into a standing forward fold. Slowly come up to standing. Arms come up. Inhale. Little back bend. Come down to standing. Let's do a little balance right now. Just a little bit of balance. I call this, well, I don't call this is called the tree pose. We'll start with our left foot on the ground. So we're gonna be balancing on our left foot. If you have balance problems, you can grab a chair and hold on to it as well, or a wall. But what I want you to do is get a good strong base to the left foot. And then you're going to bring your right foot up off the ground. You can bring your foot onto your calf or above your kneecap, whatever works best. And then you also want to pull your right knee to the back. Think about pulling it back by like engaging your glutes. This will open up your right groin a little bit more. And then do whatever you want with your arms. How you doing over there, Aisha? Are you balancing?
I am hanging in there.
Just do your best. It can be tough to balance. That's why it's called a tree pose though, because the goal is to feel deeply rooted into the ground, you know, like strong, just like a tree. If you want to add on to this, feel free with your 2 fingers, hook between your big toe like this, and then bring your leg out. Voila. If you're doing what I'm doing, come back into a tree pose, and then foot back down, shake out that right leg a little bit, do some hip circles if you need to. Okay, same thing on the other side. So now, firmly planted on the right foot, left foot comes up, find your position. You can try to close your eyes too. That's what I'm doing, but that makes it really hard. Feel free to go into this variation if you want. Ooh, my left side's a little tighter. Lower your leg back down, shake it out. Let's bring your legs a little bit wide, just a little bit. Let's do some hip circles. Just pick a direction. Other direction, nice and big, Aisha. As big as you can. Now bring your legs out even a little wider. Breathe in, arms up. Kick your butt back straight, and then roll your back into a wide-legged forward fold. So now your back can be a little rounded. If you want to, feel free to practice some handstands right now if you want. I might try that right now. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. I messed up a little bit. I can get my handstand down decently, but I'm still working on the control to not move around a little bit. Let's see you do it, Aisha. Also, I can't do it out of this pose yet. That takes so much stability. I'm still working on my handstand. It's getting there. Okay, what we're going to do is bend our right knee Left leg stays straight. Just a little, yep, lunge to the right side. And then same thing to the left side. Just go as low as you can. Nice. And then meet me back into a tabletop. And we're gonna finish this routine with the child's pose. Feet together, knees out wide, come down. Connect back to your breath, close your eyes. Be grateful you showed up today if you did this routine. I'm so grateful for you guys. But be grateful for showing up today, for getting 1% better. We only get one body, so why not take care of it? And yoga mobility is one of my favorite ways to make sure I'm taking care of my body. How do you feel, Aisha?
I feel really good. I feel really relaxed.
Same. Yeah, I feel really relaxed too. I'm glad that you feel good. So you can stay here longer if you want, but I'm going to end the routine right now. You guys know the drill. If you've been watching my videos, leave a comment, like the video, share with some friends and family. Also, if you aren't subscribed, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. It would just mean a lot to me, but that's all I gotta say. You good, Aisha?
I'm good.
Okay. Peace out.
Bye.